Hi, you're on the channel Happy Decoration with you, Anya Ковалёва. Today I will answer the most popular question. How to make stems for flowers? What's material? In Russia I use metal plastic pipe. What's the pipe? Inside the plastic there is a layer of aluminium. This pipe bends. In my work I use a metal plastic pipe with a diameter of 16 or 12 mm. But communicating with you, I learned that in the countries of Europe, in the UK and in America there are no such pipes. And you at a loss do not know where to find this pipe and how to replace it. Today I will give you options that will help you. Option 1. I know for sure that in America they sell copper pipes. I asked my friend to rent them in the store to show you. Thanks to Igor a lot from me and my subscribers. Now look. These are copper pipes that are used in plumbing. They are easy to bend. Such a pipe is of different sizes. For example, in the video Igor shows 1 or 2 inches, 3 or 4 inches. These sizes are suitable for stems. Option 2. You can use a plastic pipe. In the video Igor also shows them. They can be bent with a built-in hair dryer. Hit in the right place and bend in the right way. More difficult, but maybe it will eat money because copper pipes are expensive. Option 3. Find your analog. Focus on bending pipes. Search in hardware stores or plumbing stores. The store where Igor shot the video is called Home Depot. If you find an analog, please write to me in the comments or by mail. I'm sure that many people in your country will thank you. And now I'll tell you how to make a flower bud removable. To do this, you need to pick up a plastic pipe larger or smaller in diameter than the stem. The idea is that the pipe enters the pipes or, on the contrary, first on it. And on this pipe you form a rose. Paste the petals, the stem, bud, it's great, yeah? Or we make a fastener for flat flower. You will now see how to make such a fastener. Now, let's talk about the coasters. I use metal coasters. This is metal twice, square 12 or 12 inches. Bolts are welded to it according to the number of flowers and the diameter of the stem. The higher the bolt, the better the stand. This stand is suitable for flowers made of light material, famiran, fabric, isolon. On such a stand, I formed a bouquet of 9 large flowers. Another idea is to use a flower pots. In the center of the pot, put a piece of plastic pipe into which the stem enters or is put on, and pour clay, cement into the pot. You can make such a stand for 1, 2, 3 flowers, even 10, depending on the sizes of the pot itself. Create easily and enjoy. Thank you for watching my channel. I'm glad to be of service to you. Subscribe to the channel, advise friends, write comments. This helps me a lot in the development of the channel. I am currently working to translate my flower masterclass into English and will post 1 or 2 videos per week. Thank you. I was with you, Aня Ковалёва, and Happy Decoration channel. See you later. Bye bye.